Hey guys, so I found these. Hold on. I'm a little bit I found I think they're Takis Zero Heat Cheesy Blast. I'm gonna be brave. I really can't do Takis. The last time I tried them, it's embarrassing. Okay, I got it open. Last time I tried Takis, I had to give them to my friend's kid, and I love them. I can't do it. Let's try. Okay. Very cheesy. I should have got me a napkin. Better than, I want to say they're better than Cheetos. Yeah. So, grab you some of these at Kroger's. Bye.